We have deployed a website that we made inside Bolt, and we deployed it in 1 minute. I'm going to show you how I'm going to deploy my website from Bolt to Netlify and get a custom domain. If you want to learn more about making websites with AI or AI automations, go down to the link below and join my community. We're going to register our own custom domain, and we're going to do it through Netlify. But first I want to show you the free way, and if you want to test your website and that kind of stuff and you want to share the URL, you can go in Bolt, you can go to deploy. And when we click on deploy, it's generating a lot of things and the preview, and when it's ready we get a URL, and it's a long URL with all strange characters and numbers, and then we can go to our website, and our website is live online. So that's the first way, but the most of the time we want our own custom domain. But first I'm going to show you how this is working. Now it's ready, and now we can see your site has been successfully deployed. You can view it at blah 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 blah, and now we go to our site and we have our site deployed on the internet. This is the code to go to our site, but we want a custom domain. So I go back to Bolt, and in Bolt you can see that here is a sentence: to transfer this Netlify project to your own account, you can use this. So we're going to click on this link, and now we're going to Netlify. And Netlify, it's very easy. We can add projects to Netlify dashboard. We click here, and now you see this is my site. It's now inside Netlify. So I go back because I only wanted to show you that's the site. And now we're going to connect it, and we're going to register our own custom domain. So we click here again, and now you see set up your site, and it's as easy as following this. So your site is deployed, set up a custom domain. So we're going to click here, set up a custom domain. We choose our custom domain, and when we click on verify, Netlify going to check if the custom domain is free. So in this case I will choose AI Jeroen freebie. Then I can use it later for another site, but for this moment I'm going to use AI Jeroen freebie. Okay, AI Jeroen free. Verify again. It was an invalid domain name, so now I'm going to try it again with www. Maybe that's the reason that's not working. AI Jeroen freebie.com. Verify again. And now it's verifying this. The reason it was not working is because I only typed AI Jeroen freebie. Okay, and now we see we can add a payment method. So I'm going to add my payment method. It's loading. And now I must fill in my details. So I'm going to do this, but I won't show it on the camera because it's privacy details. And then I will come back. And now I can click. And as you see, we can register a domain now for $14.99. And it's important to notice that the card will be charged, okay? The transaction is non-refundable, and this domain registration will auto-renew for $19.99 the second year. So the second year you pay $5 more, so that's something to keep in mind. But for now I go further to register the domain now for $14.99. And now we registered our domain, and we can see it's over here and it's waiting the Netlify DNS. But when I select AI Jeroen freebie.com, I copy this one, I open a new tab in AI Jeroen freebie.com, and you see our website is deployed to the internet. Only thing what we must do is it's not secure. So we go back to Netlify. And the not secure part is because we are awaiting for the Netlify DNS. So we can go here and we see HTTPS, and that's the secure connection we need for the website. And we can click on verify DNS configuration. So we click here, and now we see we're ready to provision a TLS certificate from Let's Encrypt and install it on our CDN. And this is the part we must wait for And then we will see it is secure and this will be not visible, and we see a log and we see aieuronfreebie.com. So in this way you can deploy your website that you make with Bolt or your app or that kind of stuff. You can deploy it in a minute with Netlify to your website. And waited, I think 2-3 minutes, and now it's visible, and now we see we have a secure connection with Netlify